Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert charts, diagrams, and tables in Google Slides. So adding charts, diagrams, or tables in Google Slides can make your presentation more engaging and informative. So this is how you can do it step by step. First, if you want to insert charts, charts are useful for visualizing data. So if you want to add one, you can just tap on insert at the top and find the chart options. Now you can just choose a chart type, whether you want to add bar, column, line, or pie chart. Here, for example, I'm going to add a pie chart. Click on the pie options. Now the chart has been inserted. And to edit the chart data, a placeholder chart will appear on the slide in here. You can click on the link icon at the top. Click on this three dots icon and tap on open source. So the charts data will open in Google Sheets. You can edit the data in Google Sheets, add your values and labels, and also close the you can when you are done you can just close the sheet. So here you can change the data to how you like it, and also the name. For example, I'm going to change it class A, class B, okay, like this. And then you can go back to the slides, and if you want to see the update or the changes, you need to click on this update. Now the chart has been changed according to the data that you added on the Google Sheets. You can also import an existing chart by going to insert chart and choose this option from Sheets. If you want to insert diagrams, you can just, let's close this, delete this first. Click on insert and choose a diagram in here, and a sidebar will appear on the right with options for grid, hierarchy, timeline, process, relationship, cycle, and if you want to, you can also view all. So just select the diagram tab that you want. For example, I'm going to go with cycle. And in here, you can choose the number of steps and color. Okay, I'm going to just go with this one. For example, now you can just edit the item of the diagram. Next, if you want to insert a table, let's delete this diagram. You can go to the insert again and choose table. Here you can just select the number of rows and columns for the table. Now you can see a table will appear on the slide. You can click inside a cell to enter text, and you can drag the edges to resize the table. If you want to customize your table, you can just select the cells, then click on the paint bucket at the top and choose the color that you want. And you can also adjust the text alignment. You can use the toolbar to choose the alignment. You can click on the border icon to customize the color, thickness, and also the dash. And so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.